Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix black screen in Overwatch 2. First, check for updates in the search bar. Then, click to open it. From here, you can check for Windows Update. Next, search for Device Manager in the search bar. Click to open it. Here, double-click on Display Adapters. Then, right-click to open Properties. Go to Driver and make sure you have the updated driver. If not, then update it. Then, click on OK. Now, open Epic Games Launcher. Search for Overwatch 2. Then, go to Game Settings and select Additional Command Line Arguments. Then, type in the following text: Tank Worker Threat Count 2. You can pause the screen to see it. If it doesn't work, try this one as well. Threat 2 D3 D11. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.